Hi guys! So today you're going to learn how decisions are made through voting. And you will vote for a favorite pet, snack, and pizza. So in just a little while, you are going to be able to vote. A vote is something that you will cast. It will be what you want. And then we're going to take those results, and Miss Cochran will let you know our results of our voting. So let's talk about voting. We're going to watch this video, Duck for President. It's an awesome story about a duck who doesn't want to work on the farm anymore. He wants to run for president. We have a president of the United States of America, and this year we get to vote on who we think might make the best president of the United States. So right now, did you know that we have a presidential election last night? Millions of Americans went out and voted for who they thought would make the best president. We have Donald Trump and we have Joe Biden. The great thing about voting is each of us get to have our own vote and our own say. We don't have to have others choose for us. And it's always great to show respect to whichever one decides to win, you show respect to. It's okay that your vote might be different than your friends. Remember, this is all about you and what you feel is the best. So we show respect by respecting each of our votes. So if yours does not win, it's okay. More people might have thought that this choice would have been better. So when you cast your vote, millions of Americans went to the polls. They call them the polls. It's an area that is all by itself that you can cast your vote on who you believe would be the best president. And so they go to these polls and they choose who they believe would be the best president. So this is something that we will be doing in class. Each of us will have our own poll. And let me present it so you can see what it might look like for us. So this is our voting. It will be what will make the best pet. So these are our choices: cat, dog, fish, lizard, or bunny. So we only get to make one choice. So I want you to think real hard. Which one would I feel would make the best pet? Not what your friend thinks, but just you. Maybe I like dogs, so maybe I would pick that one. Or maybe if you really like cats, you would pick that one. Or if you are a fish fan, you would go ahead and you would click that one that shows, hey, that's my favorite. After that one, this one says, what is your favorite snack? So we have 4 choices for our favorite snack. We have popcorn, goldfish, fruit, or fruit snacks. So again, this is all about you. What do you feel would be the best choice? What is your favorite? You would click just one. And then you would go on to the last question. And the last question is, what is your favorite pizza? Would it be cheese, pepperoni, or sausage? This one's a hard choice, isn't it? I know you guys love pizza, so which one would you choose? Again, you would click the button. And after your 3 choices, just like the United States did last night, they had to submit their vote. So after you're done choosing, you're going to hit submit and you're going to submit your vote to Miss Cochran. And I am going to count all the votes in our class and we're going to see which one in our class, which one won the most popular vote. All right. I can't wait to see our voting. Again, voting is something that all Americans should do. It gets your turn to have a voice, right? You can tell others what you believe, but remember, we always respect everybody else's view because sometimes our view is different. So sometimes I might think differently than you. So our views are different and maybe our beliefs are different too. That's something that we think is something important to us. All right. So these were our choices for presidential election. I can't wait to see who wins the next president of the United States. Remember, the president of the United States is somebody that helps run our country, the United States of America. I hope America got out and voted. All right, I'll see you later. I can't wait to see your votes. Remember, they are private. And remember, we are respectful of everybody else's vote. Bye.